Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Season 4 season finale of Off the Cuff. Man, it's hard to believe we're already here. I gotta tell you, the last year has been challenging and, well, unpredictable at best, so I've tried to lighten it up by taking some of our favorite comfort foods and spinning them to be low carb and delicious. And, well, so far, so good. Looking back, we've done low carb corn dogs, low carb air fried pickles, chocolate cake, ravioli, pretzel nuggets, chicken fried steak, onion rings, low carb Big Macs, sugar free Twinkies, peanut butter bars, and the latest, low carb Girl Scout Thin Mint cookies. Well, it is the season finale, and I want to see if I can top all of that, and I always like to do something a little extra special. So today, to challenge myself, I want to make a homemade, low carb pasta. I mean, come on. We all miss pasta, right? I actually even went out and I bought a pasta machine. Yeah. But there's only one problem. I've looked for weeks online and I'm having a lot of trouble finding a good pasta recipe. So, with lack of that, I'm afraid I'm going to have to do something else. Craig, go stand in front of your toaster. What? Now! Okay, I'll go. Wow. Okay, I'm in front of the toaster. What's going on? Oh my God, are you me? Yep, I'm you. Well, actually, I'm me. I'm talking to you from season 1 Off the Cuff. I hear you want to make low carb pasta. Yeah, I'd love to, but I don't know how. Hey, do you know? You're asking me? I'm season 1 you. I'm lucky if I know how to use any of these appliances at all. I think you need to speak to season 2. I'll get him. You know, just once, I'd like to have a normal kitchen. Hey, we got a new microwave. You must be season 2 me. Do you have a low carb pasta recipe? No. Oh, I think you're gonna need a stand mixer. Oh, I got one. You're getting one for Christmas. Surprise. Cool. Hey, what can you tell me about the future? Take zinc. What about the pasta? I know just the guy that can help you. I really need the recipe to that low-carb pasta.
Check out the Keto King on YouTube. He's amazing. He has a recipe for low-carb fettuccine.
Oh, that's great. I can make low-carb homemade fettuccine. Who are you?
I'm season 42.
Season 42? Can you tell me about the future?
Let's see. Oh, yes, you vote for President Kardashian.
President Kardashian? Which one?
All of them. Here are the ingredients.
Okay, and here they are. First up, the pasta dough. 1/2 cup oat fiber. 1/2 cup Vital Wheat gluten. 2 eggs. 1/2 tablespoon avocado or olive oil. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon xanthan gum. And up to 1/4 cup of water. We're going to add water 1 tablespoon at a time. Haha, okay, yeah. You know, seeing me from season 1 and season 2, I realized my hair was too long. Glad I got that haircut. Now let's make that pasta. Oh, wait, first. Please stay to the end of this video. I have a little tribute to all the talented people who helped contribute to Off the Cuff this year. Also, if you're on YouTube, remember to subscribe and follow. Okay, or it might be this side. I'm not sure which side. Subscribe and follow. And on Facebook, like me and follow. Okay, now let's make that pasta. First off, we make our dough. We have the aforementioned stand mixer with the paddle attachment. Now let's put in our dry ingredients. First up, the oat fiber and the Vital Wheat gluten. Oh, nobody mentioned a dust storm. Okay, the salt, the xanthan gum. And that's it for the dry ingredients, folks. And we start mixing. We take our avocado oil or olive oil, whatever you prefer. Okay, we're going to turn this off and put in our eggs. I wanted them in the center. And there we go. Now we're going to let this go for about up to 5 minutes. We want to incorporate this real well. Once it becomes crumbly, we're going to start putting in our cold water, 1 tablespoon at a time. Okay, here comes the first tablespoon of water. You can see the difference it makes right away as it starts to incorporate all of the ingredients. Okay, now we're ready for our second tablespoon. It's already starting to come together. I'm about to put in my third tablespoon. Third one is in. It may not need 4. We'll see. Okay, now we're going to stop it. And we're going to give the machine a little help with the dough. Oh yeah, this is it's nice, it's sticky, it's clumping together as it's forming. It's getting nice and gluey and sticky. That's perfect, that's what you want. I'm going to let it go in here for a little bit longer, just to make sure it's got enough air and it's mixed together. You're probably going to hear this struggle a little bit. There we are. Now we have, oh yeah, that looks wonderful. I'm just kind of mixing it together here. Look at that. You can see it stretches a little bit. We're going to put it into a closed, airtight container. For a half hour, and then we're going to come back and we're going to roll it out. Take some oat fiber, put it on your board, just like that. Now I'm taking my handy dandy pizza cutter and I'm cutting it right down the middle. Now it's time to get the pasta machine. Okay, behold the pasta machines. The first setting, 7, you're going to run the pasta through about 6 times. So let's do that. All right, 6 times. Now move this to level 6. Now we're going to do it once on 6, 5, 4, and 3. We're only going to go as low as 3. Here goes number 6. Oh, I didn't think that last piece was going to make it, but it did. Here we are. This is the right length. Now I'm going to put this through and make fettuccine. 1 time through, that's all you need. We're going to have fettuccine. Nice and striated. You see that? Now we separate it. That's 1. That's 2. They're very rubbery, so they tend not to break, which is good. 3, and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that for all these. It's a little, it takes time, but oh, it's so worth it. Now, I have a pot of salted boiling water. We're going to put this in for about 3 minutes. Now we have the rolling boil go. 3 minutes from this point, and we're going to have hot and ready pasta. Now let's strain our pasta. Look at that. Up in the cheap seats. Yeah. Okay, I did it. Low carb, homemade pasta. In this case, fettuccine. Yes, it seems intimidating. I've actually been waiting the whole year to do it, but actually it didn't even reach my expectations as far as being hard. It's actually very easy if you follow the recipe. And it looks great. It makes a lot because This is, I think, more than I can probably eat in a sitting. And you can freeze it after you do it and then thaw it and make it. So you can make a lot and then let it stretch out. Um, I want to thank the Banton Boss, aka the Keto King. He posted this recipe on his website. You should go to him. He has a lot of great keto recipes. If you're on YouTube, look. Oops, look. right. I think it's right here. No, look. Look right here. That's a link to his page. And if you're on Facebook, I'll put it in the description. Okay, now I'm going to taste. That's a lot. This could get messy. Mm. It's got a great texture. I can tell it's going to play with any sauce really well. Alfredo, tomato, carbonara, whatever you want to do. It tastes wonderful. It's not rubbery. To me, it tastes like a nice whole wheat pasta. It's really delicious, and it looks like whole wheat too. I cannot recommend this more. Seriously, this scared me all season long, and I've done it. Well, you know what? That wraps up another season of Off the Cuff. It's been a lot of fun. I've had a blast. I hope you've enjoyed the food. I hope you enjoyed the comedy. Please stay for the closing credits. It's just my way of giving thanks to all the people who have shared their talents with me on the show this year. I'll see you in a couple of months, and until then, be well, eat good. I'm eating pasta